Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working on SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded game. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically drivers. So once your controller drivers are updated, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, check if controller is working. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If you still face the same issue, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So here you will be able to see the update option if there is any. After updating the game to the latest version, check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, first you have to go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now here your gamepad will be added. So you have to remove it. For that, click on 3 dot icon and then click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, again come back, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Click on add a device and click on everything else and here you have to add your controller. After adding it, check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now once the website opens, click on the download option over here. This will take you to the next page. From here you have to select the DS4 tool and after selecting it, download it, and once you download it, install it. After installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch a SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded game and check for the error whether it's working or not. If not, then next method is to use big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Here you can see big picture mode. Just simply click on it. Now after that, click on the game and click on the play option and check whether it's working or not. If it's working, well and good. Now click on Steam option, then click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Now once done, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So through these methods you can fix gamepad or controller not working error on SPLITGATE Arena Reloaded game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.